Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today's like a very happy morning indeed because today is another harvest day and it's lettuce. So here they are, right, and matured, and of course I have to wait until my mom gets home from work because I actually never harvest lettuce. So I just got off with not one but two meetings. I had like a team meeting just to talk about like updates, and then after that I had like a Zoom meeting with my rec therapist, and we just did some trivia games and had fun stuff. So what I did is just basically cleaned up the aftermath from dinner last night, and this is what we had, and it was actually not that hard for a first timer. So speaking of HelloFresh, I thought about doing the leftover shepherd's pie for lunch. Oh, sorry about the glare. It's just I'm currently outside, as you can see, and it turns out to be a nice, beautiful day out. And as my phone was charging, S'mores started coughing, and I texted my mom about it. She's like, "Oh, it's just a hairball," and it's not a hairball. So I wanted to check her, see if she has a temperature, but I don't know how to do that. So all of the lettuce is, well, at least one of the multi-grain lettuce is ready. So this particular song, I actually sang with Sugar Lemon. So basically on Smule. So we got some fresh catnip and see if she react to it. So in one of the clips where I'm talked about S'mores has been coughing a lot, and I got a little worried, and turns out she doesn't have COVID, so thank goodness. And Ken and I just finished dinner, and I need to think about going to bed because I have work in the morning. Later, Gators.